was built to last. With the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past. With all I'm achieving, got my foot on gas. Never stop competing. If you break my glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to KeneishaSays. Welcome back to another video. I'm actually putting a front on right now because I'm not as enthused as I really sound. I haven't picked up the camera in a long time. I think yesterday was the first I actually picked up the camera. Yesterday was the first time I actually picked up a camera, and that is because I did an unboxing, for spring. And to be honest, I've purchased those items so long ago, and I finally, decided that I was going to do that. Anywho, enough of that. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, comment under the comment section, and share. I was not going to pick up my camera today, and for some reason I'm there watching a vlog, and I'm like, why are you here watching people making vlogs and you're not doing the same? Like, that's crazy. And I'm watching people saying the same thing. I'm not enthused, I'm not motivated. You know what? I kind of self-diagnosed myself the other day having functional depression. Yeah, I feel like that's what I've been doing all my life, functioning and depressed as hell. And I don't know why. I don't know what's going on, but this has been going on. Like me right now, feeling it like in this funk for like the past almost 2 months. I was just dealing with it, like just making it happen. But I wasn't motivated to pick up the camera or do anything. Like, I haven't cleaned my house in such a long time, like thoroughly, like clean the house, you know what I mean? And at first I thought it was the whole winter, because winter with the cold and how it was the snow after snow after snow and freezing temperature. I was just like not feeling it to do anything. The battery gone dead. But yeah, so I thought that was it. But then spring is almost here, the time is getting nice, and there I was still feeling the same way. Anywho, enough of my rambling. I pick up the camera today. What are you doing, Keneisha? What are you up to? I'm actually heading to a volunteer, the Foodshare, where our company is actually volunteering our service today to help out. And it's my very first time. I volunteer because I wanted to do something like this. I feel like one of my purpose in life is to help. And I've been trying to do something like this for myself, to give back to the community, including my family and stuff, like to help them, to give back my kids, for them to understand that you have people out there that are in need of stuff, and then for them to learn gratitude. So the last time I volunteered, they didn't get everything set up, so it didn't work out for me to go by the time they actually tell me to come. And so this time I volunteer and everything, and this is starting at 12 o'clock. It's now 11:46, so I'm excited that I'm on time. Something that I have never really done, going to work, but I'm here early. Don't tell nobody that. So I am almost there, and this week is going to be like a little bit of up and down kind of week, because yesterday I had dance practice for Tavania. Today I'm going to head to this. It's starting at 12 o'clock, as I said before. It's going to be for like 3 hours, and I have to go run to the bank, grab the kids. Thankfully Mommy is home holding on the fort to cooking today. And then tomorrow I have a work meeting that I have to go. That is going to be maybe like an hour or 45 minutes to get done. I have to go into the office for that. And then Thursday the kids have their school dance that I didn't even remember. I'm not going to say I didn't remember. I didn't know until last minute, like, they have it. And I saw it, and I'm like, oh, shoot. So I don't have any outfit or anything for them. And we just have to dig up in the closet to find something, because I really don't have the money to do it, to go shopping right now. And I don't have the time. So that is that tomorrow. And they have 2 different times, because obviously they're in 2 different grades. for their dance. So that is gonna be another thing, because I'm not even sure if Troy's gonna be able to make it because he has work. And of course you have Friday, Saturday, Sunday work, and then Monday it starts all over again. So I say, you know, let me pick up my camera and just walk you guys through my week this week, since it's the most hectic week that I've had so far, because the rest of the weeks I'm just really sitting, I just do laundry and just really like, well, I don't want to do anything because I'm in my, you know, I had the flu. I'm just recovering from the flu, and you know, Miss Lady choose for come, so it's like 2 in 1. So this is the most enthused I've been in a very long time. So yeah, I'm almost there at the place. So obviously I'm not going to be able to record inside, but I will see what I can get, what kind of snippets and stuff like that. And then yeah, I'm not sure which spot may I go. I think it's somewhere up here, so don't forget. So the first time I go somewhere without GPS, so I'm excited about that. But guys, I will keep you along for the week. Again, please go ahead and subscribe, watch up the video them, and like, comment and share, because with me feeling this way and I'm not seeing the views and the likes or comments going up, it kind of just really put me back in the funk, because like, do I even need to do this? You know what I mean? But yeah, go ahead and like up the video and comment down in the comment section. Set up some motivation, push me up, because girl, I need it. I really do. I need it so much. So yeah, I just read the paper. It told me to make sure that I wear something comfy. And that's another thing. I realized I don't have any comfy sneakers, like just like a regular day-to-day sneakers. I need a black sneakers. I need like a Air Max or black Hirachi, like just plain black. Cause you never have no sneakers all I go for wear my outfits, and like regular jackets and something. Anywho, I think we're almost there. But the battery don't dead. I'm gonna want to turn now, and then the battery dead. So let's try.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.
And guys, we're here. Tell me why all of the battery that I have right now died. It shows you how long I haven't recorded. So I'm here. It's at the Connecticut Foodshare. So I'm gonna go in now and see what they have to offer or what's going on. It's 6 minutes to 12, so I'm really, really early, so that is good. I want to just try to figure out myself to go in instead of waiting until the exact 12. So that battery also died. Okay, so I'm on my phone now. For sure, that's a man comedy content. I'm trying. Alright, so as I said before, I'm gonna go in now, figure out exactly where I need to go. I'm not sure if anybody's already inside, but let me go do that, and I'll come back to you guys. Hopefully I can charge up some battery. Hopefully I have something to charge it. And yeah, I keep you guys posted. So I'll see you when I see you. Alright guys, so it doesn't seem like we're gonna get any battery power today, because I don't have the cord. I have the thing to charge the battery, but I do not have the cord to charge it in the car. So the last conversation we had was about me reaching. I've reached now. It's like almost 10 minutes after 12, right? Went to the front, tried ringing the doorbell, the bell thing for the reception. Nothing. Like nobody is there. Nobody's coming out. I tried twice. I came out, walked to the back. I don't see anything. I don't see anybody. Went back inside, tried again, started like ding 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 ding, nothing, right? So I came around the back to park, and now I saw this guy interrupted his lunch. I'm sorry for that, sir. You know, asked if he's aware of anything, and he says he's gonna go inside and get somebody to come out to me. So hopefully they come out and they can actually give me some information, because tell me why every time early something happened, like what? Like the minute early for something, like that's why I'm for late. That's why I late come in. If I'm late, I know everybody would have the right here. So, but say the guy going in right now to see if he could actually get somebody to come out to me. And then tell me why the one day Mr. go on vlog, I got the battery. All 3 batteries literally died. The one that's in the camera, and the 2 that I have that's inside the bag. Like that's crazy to me. But I'm here, and let's see if somebody can come out and talk to me. So guy gone in there, so I'm just waiting. This don't make no sense at all. 12 o'clock. I even went back to the paper that was printed to see if this is the right place, and yeah, the one time I didn't use GPS, I came to the right location on time, and there's nobody even there if it knows I'm come early. That don't make no sense. I see somebody coming. Hold on, guys. Hi. I'm good. I'm a bit lost. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm not with volunteer services, but how can I help you? Oh, okay. Come to the front. And nobody was there. Okay, I'll meet you in the front. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. All right. So she said to come to the front. So I said, I've been around here like twice. Nobody was there. She's like, I'm gonna meet you in the front. Okay, so let's go meet you in the front. Oh, no, come on. I'm putting up on this. Can you see me? I think you guys gonna fall. We're gonna go to the front. So let's go. Alright guys, we're back at the front. So let me grab my stuff and let me see what happens when we go inside.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Alright guys, so I am here and I'm waiting.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, 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 today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of prep.
Guys, I'm so tired. So we finished the volunteer service. Actually, we didn't issue any food. What we did was basically to sort the food, get them palletized in the right order and category, which was really fun. And we did that for 3 hours. So I had to run to the bank. The bank closed at 4. So I lost my earring. Well, my earring back, it fell out. I think it's because I was changing my shirt and putting on the t-shirt and whatever not. Because when I came home and I was trying to do the same thing, I realized the other one was falling out. Anywho, ran home real quick to see if I could actually get some charge for the camera. That didn't work out. Changed my shirt real quick and ran over to the bank. Luckily, I had a contact because I needed to get a form. I could actually complete that to bring it back. So I actually called the person and I reached her literally 1 minute to 4. They closed at 4 o'clock. So I got that sorted out. Now I'm going to head to the kids' bus stop because right now the roads are really busy because school is out and stuff like that. So yeah, so I'm tired. But today was really fun. I enjoyed it. I'll definitely do that again. I thought initially that it was going to be handing out food to everybody, but it was not like that. It was just sorting the food. So that was really good. Hungry. I am so hungry. I haven't eaten anything. This morning when I was leaving, I had 1 bagel and some peppermint tea. That's all I had. Right now, it's 4:03 to be exact. And I'm starving. But you know what? We gotta do what we gotta do. My freaking thing fell off. Broke off my Stanley Cup. So I gotta fix that as well when I'm finished. What else happened? I was early. That is why I could not get in the building because nobody expected me to be so early. And I was the first one there. So yay me. The one day I'm early, I was locked out of the building. But eventually everybody came out. 10 of us came and five of the team was actually my shift. So that was really cool as well. Anywho, enough rambling. Let's go pick up the kiddos. Okay? All right.
The next day.
morning, guys. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I just dropped off the kids and I just drove up to Walmart because remember I told you guys that Tavania. Let's do it this way. The lights is not nice. Remember I told you guys that the kids have their school dance on Thursday. That it's gonna be tomorrow. Tristan said he doesn't want to go. Tavana said she wants to go. We found something that she could actually wear in her closet, but she needed a pair of stocking. The stocking that she had was a little bit ripped, so I ordered one, and I'm here at Walmart to get that picked up. So I think this is them coming. So let me grab this real quick. I'm using my phone to vlog, by the way, because I forgot my camera. So hold on. All right. So I just got it. Let me make sure exactly what it should be. I don't want to go home and end up pissing in your bag, you know? Yeah, it's a pack of 3. Got the black, the white, and the pink. Black, white, and pink. So that is all secured. Let's go home. So, today the kids have half-day school, which means I need to grab them by around 1:30. They school dismissed at 1 o'clock. At 12 o'clock, so by the time they reach the bus stop, it's somewhere like 1:30. I need to go back to the bank to drop off something. And we have that meeting at 3 o'clock. So we have all that scheduled for today. I haven't eaten anything yet. So let me go home and get something to eat and transform. All right. Hey guys, I am back. I am on time for my meeting, but I wanted to stop at the bank before I go to the meeting, but that ain't gonna happen. Let me go on the back window here because it's so nice outside. Like I didn't want to turn on any air or anything because it's so beautiful. It's so nice. So nice outside. All right. So just because of you guys, I'm putting on a little bit of AC. It's literally like 61 degrees outside right now. So I'm running to my meeting. And I wanted to go by the bank before to drop off the information I got yesterday. But that ain't gonna happen. Because the why I couldn't comb my hair this morning, I just know. Like, it just was giving me a hard time. So that took up all my time. The meeting is at 3 o'clock. It's now 8 minutes to 3. So I'm just gonna go there. It's gonna end at like 3:45. So hopefully at any time I can just run straight to the bank and I can do the same thing like I did yesterday. So the kids had half-day school. I grabbed them. The initial plan was to get ready, go to the bank, grab the kids from the bus stop, and then drop them off and head to my meeting. But you know what I'm saying? You planning and gotta wipe out, because tell me why 12 o'clock just come like that. It was so quick. And by the time I got home and took a shower, get myself together, it's now almost 3 o'clock. So I ain't gonna try and be late for the meeting, you know, because everybody always knows I'm late. So yesterday I was early. I'm trying to be early. I'm literally like, I'm not gonna say literally. I'm like 7 minutes out, and I have 7 minutes for reach. So we're gonna reach on time, okay? Yeah. So that's what we're doing, and then tomorrow, as I said before, we're gonna go to the dance. I'm tired. The worst thing when you get ready and I'll hurry, it's like you're just tired before you even reach where you need to go. It's crazy. Everybody's in t-shirt. Everybody in t-shirts today. We'll remember that song here.
'Cause I have decided to make Jesus my choice. You know the road is rough, and the going gets tough, and the hills are hard to climb. Started out a long time ago,
You know what I forgot? I forgot that this is not 4 o'clock in the morning. So therefore, I'm not gonna reach on time. The bus in front of me, slow car, bus stop now. It's like I'm not gonna reach on time. Now I have 4 minutes to reach. That is so crazy. Why am I so late? And I'm in no sense. It don't make no sense. Oh my gosh. The bus has stopped every second. Anyway, I'm gonna worship my God. I'll see you guys when I finish with the meeting, okay? Alright. Guys, if you reached this far in the vlog and you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and comment under the comment section. And share up the video then, okay? Share up the video. Okay, alright. I'm gonna now fit in a real life. Bye-bye.
The next day.
Yeah, you gotta get some partners. You gotta get some partners. Get some partners. And with your partners, you gotta shake, shake, shake. Get those partners in.
Somebody talking to you. The juice?
It's an apple mango and lemonade.
Good?
Basketball.
29 and I find myself
Nice.
last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind.
Alright guys, so it's the next day obviously. Earlier this morning I went to the bank, grabbed Tavania half day, well not half day, but picked her up from school and rushed her to her school dance. I'm having a brain fart. It's Thursday, guys. So unfortunately we didn't make it early, but we were able to get at least a good 20 minutes into the dance. Right, Tavania?
Yes.
Alright guys, so we're heading home right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment under the comment section, and share. And until later guys, bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.